Did you know that 80% of visible aging is influenced not by genetics, but by daily lifestyle choices? Today, I'm going to share 5 holistic daily habits that can renew your cells and keep you looking and feeling youthful. Naturally. Welcome back to the Health Code. Aging is inevitable, but premature aging is not. Science shows that cellular turnover, the body's ability to repair and regenerate itself, can be boosted by simple daily habits. In this video, you'll learn 5 anti-aging practices that work from the inside out. Now, what exactly does it mean for cells to renew themselves? Our bodies are constantly renewing themselves. Skin cells, for example, renew themselves about every 28 days. The cells that line our gut, they renew themselves every few days. But when we're exposed to lifestyle stressors like consuming too much sugar, being around toxins, not getting enough sleep, or having chronic stress, this renewal cycle gets disrupted, and as a result, we end up with wrinkles, fatigue, and inflammation. And inflammation is at the heart of all aging diseases. So, holistic anti-aging is really about, instead of putting creams on our face or looking for quick fixes, we support the body's natural repair systems by making changes on the inside. Let me explain. Our cells have something called mitochondria, which are like the powerhouses of the cell. They help convert food into energy so that our cells can do their work. When we eat processed foods or refined sugars, these molecules can damage the mitochondria. So, over time, our cells become less efficient at turning food into energy, which can lead to all sorts of health problems. But if we feed our cells with nutrient-dense whole foods, we can actually help to repair damage in the mitochondria and improve their function. And this is key to anti-aging, because the more efficiently our cells are able to turn food into energy, the slower our cells age. In addition to repairing damage within our cells, eating nutrient-dense foods also helps to build up the structural components of our cells, like the cell membranes. This can help our cells to function properly and protect them against damage. Eating foods that are high in antioxidants, like berries, green tea, dark leafy greens, can also help neutralize harmful molecules that can damage our cells. Remember, eating healthy isn't just about what you consume. It's also about what you don't consume. Ultra-processed foods have been shown to accelerate cellular aging by overwhelming our body's natural detoxification processes. These foods contain artificial preservatives, colors, flavors, and additives that our body wasn't designed to handle. So it's important to read labels and avoid ingredients that are difficult to pronounce. Our second habit is hydration and cellular energy. Think of your cells like tiny little factories that need water to run smoothly. If you don't drink enough water, your cells can actually shrink in size and stop working properly. This can lead to all sorts of issues like dry skin, fatigue, and even kidney problems. But if you stay hydrated, your cells can function at their best, which can help you look and feel your best as well. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of structured water throughout the day. Herbal teas, mineral water, and even soups can help you stay hydrated, while also providing additional nutrients. Pro tip: kickstart your day by drinking a glass of warm water first thing in the morning. This helps stimulate digestion and sets your body up for better hydration throughout the day. You can also add a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost. Not only does lemon water help you stay hydrated, but lemons are also packed with vitamin C, which can help neutralize harmful molecules that cause cellular aging. Plus, the citric acid in lemons can help your body absorb iron more easily, which is essential for healthy blood cells. So, if you're looking to add a little something extra to your hydration routine, lemon water may be a great option for you. Remember, proper hydration is key to keeping your cells happy and healthy. Now, habit no. 3. Quality sleep and cellular renewal. Sleep is when your body does most of its repairing. During sleep, your body produces more growth hormone, which is essential for repairing tissues and promoting healthy cell growth. It also pumps out more melatonin, which is an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Plus, deep sleep helps clear toxins from the brain through the glymphatic system. Adequate sleep is crucial for cellular renewal because it allows the body to repair and rejuvenate itself, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. But unfortunately, many of us aren't getting the sleep we need. The National Sleep Foundation recommends 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for adults. However, surveys suggest that nearly 1/3 of Americans are getting less than 7 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep can wreak havoc on our bodies. It disrupts our hormonal balance, weakens our immune system, and even damages our DNA. But we can combat this by prioritizing sleep and establishing a solid bedtime routine. This could include things like dimming the lights an hour before bed, avoiding screens, reading a calming book, or enjoying a cup of calming tea. Try to sleep before midnight if possible, because the hours before midnight are when we get the deepest sleep. And always remember, the quantity and quality of our sleep are equally important for anti-aging. Habit no. 4. Movement and oxygen flow. Regular physical activity can actually help you live longer and healthier lives by improving cardiovascular health, maintaining a healthy body weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and enhancing immune function. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that engaging in moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking for 30 minutes most days of the week, can significantly reduce the risk of dementia. But what does movement have to do with cellular renewal? Well, exercise stimulates mitochondrial function, those cellular powerhouses I mentioned earlier. In other words, it gets your cell's energy factories working at their best. Mitochondria are responsible for producing the energy your cells need to function. And when they're working properly, your cells can repair themselves more efficiently and resist damage from harmful molecules. Additionally, gentle movements such as walking, yoga, or Tai Chi Chuan can help increase blood flow and oxygen supply to your cells. This can help deliver nutrients to your cells and remove waste products, which can help improve overall cellular function. Strength training, particularly for women after menopause, can help preserve muscle mass, which declines naturally with age. By maintaining muscle mass, you can slow down biological aging and maintain a strong, healthy body. So, make an effort to move your body regularly. Remember, it doesn't take much to reap the benefits. A little bit of movement each day can make a big difference for your cells. And now it's time for habit no. 5. A stress reset for hormonal balance. Chronic stress can really mess with our hormones, especially cortisol, which is the stress hormone. Too much cortisol for too long can lead to accelerated aging. So it's important to find ways to manage stress and keep cortisol levels in check. One way to do this is by practicing mindfulness or breathing exercises, which can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This is the part of the nervous system that calms us down and helps us relax. Another great way to reset is by journaling daily. This can help process emotions and reduce stress levels. If possible, try to spend some time outdoors every day. Exposure to nature has been shown to reduce stress hormones and improve telomere health, which is a good thing. Telomeres are the protective DNA sections at the ends of chromosomes that help to prevent aging and disease. Finally, don't underestimate the power of social connection and laughter. Having a good laugh with friends or loved ones can actually stimulate the release of hormones like oxytocin, which has anti-aging effects. So, prioritize stress reduction techniques that work for you. Your cells will thank you. So, there you have it. 5 daily habits that can help you age from the inside out. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that make the biggest difference. It might take some time to establish these habits, but the benefits will be well worth the effort. But I know what you're thinking. Life gets in the way. How can we possibly balance everything from healthy eating to exercise with work, family, and social commitments? Well, let's talk about that. Most people struggle with consistency. We want quick results, but cellular renewal is subtle and gradual. The struggle is real when it comes to balancing modern life, fast food, stress, sleepless nights with habits that truly restore our biology. The secret: start small. Pick one habit at a time. For instance, if you don't like taking walks, maybe start with a simple 5-minute stroll once a day. Do that for a week, then add another 5-minute walk. Do it for a month, and try to do it for 2 months. Just stick with it. Consistency is key. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. When you practice these 5 habits consistently, you're not just slowing down visible aging, you're strengthening your body at the cellular level. Over time, you'll notice more energy, radiant skin, mental clarity, and a stronger immune system. Aging is inevitable, but that doesn't mean you have to feel like you're getting older. By making small changes to your daily routine, you can support your body's natural repair systems and promote healthy cell renewal. Go ahead, give these habits a try and see how they make you feel. You have nothing to lose and a healthier, happier you to gain. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're all in this together. Which of these 5 habits do you already practice, and which do you want to start today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic health tips and guides. Also, check out my next video where I reveal the top foods that reverse inflammation. It's another secret to staying young. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and age gracefully.